morning guys. Sorry I didn't end properly the vlog last night. I was really tired, but right now it's day 2 of the camp, and check out that beautiful sunrise behind my back. I don't know if you can see it. It's day 2 today, and we just finished our exercise in our morning devotion. So right now we're just preparing our breakfast and then getting things organized and waiting for our speaker for later. So I hope you enjoyed the time lapse, and later today we'll have a game called Amazing Race. It's gonna be so fun. Hey guys, kamusta ka mo di guys? Okay, good. Wow, grabe yung hotdog may... Bam! Kamusta ka, Bam? Te, kamusta tulog mo kagabi? Okay lang. Ano oras ka tulog ka kagabi? Ano oras ka tulog ka kagabi? Okay kayo nagpulaw ya? Sagad siya mo gano'n kalayo ba?
Matamot na.
Dave? Ayos lang? Biding o ayos lang? Uy! Lang!
My God.
Ano tawag mo niya sa luto? Yeah. I-mix lang mo.
Hotdog and egg.
May kamatis. Pagin mo?
Hi guys.
So, how does it taste? How does it taste? Chef?
It's okay.
It's okay. It's okay.
It tastes like mom's cook.
Yeah! Kamusta ka din? Okay lang. Atol, ano oras ka tulog? What time did you sleep last night? 9:30? Te, ano pa mawon mo subong naga? What is your breakfast for today? Hotdog and? Egg. No rice? Mr. Amelo, good morning. Say hi to the vlog. So guys, that is Mr. Hamelo, the owner of this campsite. Puli ka na ton? Tambali lang ko. So right now we're gonna eat breakfast. Hey Aya, hey what? Are you ready?
What?
Praise who? Ano gani?
To praise.
To praise. Right now I'm just going around the campsite, checking the place. So just checking the tents if there's someone staying there. So it's really cold here. Too bad I can't see the sunrise, but this place is surrounded by trees, and I'm waiting for the store to open so I can get my coffee. So today actually we have a amazing race later today. It involves going through the mud like a maze, and then going through the irrigation, and then we are going to play some hula hoop, and then also I forgot to, oh, and the fastest to boil an egg, like they're gonna boil the egg using only the materials they can find in this place. Oh, I just noticed I have something in my eye. I was vlogging the whole time, and I have something in my eye. Wait. And what's really cool is I'm here, like I'm far away from the session hall, and then when the people talk over there, I can hear them like it's like a whisper. It's over there. It's very far, but when people talk over there, I can still hear them. So right now I'm just gonna wash my face and then get things settled. Okay. I did post it. I hit my leg. So wow, it's really, is this too close, or I don't know the nice spot to vlog, because I'm using a GoPro when I vlog. So I don't know if this is too close or this is too far. So I'm just holding like this. So right now I just finished washing my face, and now I'm going to eat breakfast. So one of the staff here at the camp are going back to the city So I asked them to bring some antifungal cream because I'm feeling an itch down my foot. So right now I'm going to find breakfast. So guys, these are my group mates. Say hi.
Hi.
So guys, this is Long E. He's a really great cook.
Yeah.
He used to work for Pepsi. Say hi, Long E. Gabi. Hashtag husband material. Pili ka na ka pang asawa? So guys, this is our speaker for today. This is Pastor Mel of Cosmopolitan and this churchmate Vincent and Oyo. Say hi to the vlog, guys. So the morning session is over. Pastor Mel gave his sermon. It was really amazing. It was very heartwarming because most of the kids don't know Jesus, and they most of them decided to follow Jesus and get baptized. So that's really great news. So right now I'm on my way to the canteen to get some coffee because I'm feeling so sleepy right now. Now we're gonna start our amazing race. We are just preparing and all of the groups are ready. Say hi, Wap.
1, 2, 3, go!
The first task is finding an egg. O, dalang itlog, along itlog. So my team just found the first egg. And you have to answer the riddle. Along itlog, along itlog. So now we're on our way to the next station. Okay. Station. Music. I think I broke my slipper. By the way, there's a dog here. So the campers has to spin around 5 times, and then they have to crawl through that. Wow. Ging, ikaw palibot sa iba na grupo, Ging? Ha? Ang itlog, ang itlog, ha? So the second challenge is over. Now we're headed off to the next challenge, which is over the basketball court. Whew, it's a really hot day. So the challenge is to get the hula hoop from there over there. Would you look at that? The sky is just really beautiful here. So the third challenge is we have to get through here to over there. Hindi ba kapiti? Kaya na, kaya na. Oh, di ba kapitin tubo na plastic?
Kasi si Kaina nabili na!
Kapitan, naib na! Kapitan, naib na!
Come on guys!
So we're on to the fourth challenge. You have to cook an egg using the materials they can find. So right now they have to use their wits and their intelligence to boil an egg using the materials they can find here. Aron, oh, basta minitan lang. Now the teams are so right now they are boiling the egg. The first one to boil the egg wins. So the teams are competing. So the challenge is they only have a can and some egg. You have to get some materials around this place to use it to boil the egg. So this is Manang Kasi, Manang Joy, Erin, and Raji. So follow them on Instagram, guys. I have the link down below. Thurs, ano ba mo Thurs? What can you say?
Siya nigli ang pinaagwapo nga bata.
Everyone.
Okay, pupunta na na. Barkap taanay sa ato
Here's
na
the poop guy.
amazing race. Kita na, nag-enjoy ang tanan?
And this is Madam I.
Nag-enjoy ang tanan?
The GoPro.
Oh, isa lang nga. Isa lang nga ang itlog.
That was noisy, right?
Wala
Yeah,
ang
that
itlog
was
rin ha.
noisy.
Ako lang ko ta.
So there is
Okay.
everyone.
Ang itlog, ara sa sulod ng straw.
And
Dito sa may sa kaway.
So the amazing race is over, and there was a slight problem because one of the staff of the camp hid 6 eggs. They should only have hidden 4 eggs, but they have hidden 6. So the campers were accused of cheating, but the misunderstanding was corrected, so everything okay, but it kind of caused a confusion. So right now they're playing frisbee. Look. So the game is not like follow the very strict rules of frisbee, just having fun as long as they can pass the disc without traveling. Oh, sige diretso sa pool. Tumpat na to. Oh Mike, diretso na sa pool. Bilin sa gawa sa pool. Ang chinilas, bilin. So right now we're just enjoying the pool because it's a really hot day. Takapoy. Oh, it's really tiring. So I just finished about 3 or 4 laps in the pool. I'm really tired. I'm so thirsty. So right now I'm just on my way back to the session hall to prepare the program for tonight.
Palihog ko. Ang mga GoPro, palihog action, hindi ka mo mag-download ng mahali. Isulat.
is over, so I'm going to end the vlog. Just a quick recap of what happened. I don't know if you can see me, but this is a great time right now to check the low light performance of the GoPro. Right now I'm going under the light. You can see my face. So today was really a very tiring day, full of activities. We have amazing race, and we played frisbee a while ago, and then we had the Bible games. So right now I'm just getting prepared. I'm just going to the car to get some stuff and prepare for sleep. Oh my gosh, I think I forgot the keys. So I apologize if you can't see me. I hope you can see the background there. Oops. So guys, right now I'm just gonna end the vlog here. I hope you enjoyed the time lapse and the other video montage. I hope you can see me because I'm inside my car and I'm just using the light beside the car. I hope my face is clear. So I have to tidy up. I have to wash my face and brush my teeth because I'm really tired from today. So I'll see you tomorrow. But so yeah, I'll see you tomorrow and enjoy the time lapse, the night time lapse. Night, guys. So I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.
I think that you let it burn. You know when you return, then I'm gonna